Hey, what's up, good peeps? Let's practice determining pH and pOH of a strong acid. Determine the pH and pOH of the following solution. 1.00 times 10 to the minus 2 molar HCl. First, you need to recognize that HCl is a strong acid. So, when I place HCl in water, it's going to completely ionize, and whatever the original concentration of the HCl acid solution is going to be the concentration of hydronium ions. So, because this is an acid, I'm going to start with pH and recognize that on your formula chart, you're given the formula for pH as the negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration, which is synonymous with hydronium ion concentration. And because we know the original concentration of this strong acid, we also know the concentration of hydronium ion to be 1.00 times 10 to the minus 2. So pH for this solution is equal to negative log of 1.00 times 10 to the minus 2. Calculator. Negative log 1.00 second E negative 2 close parentheses answer. Our pH, be careful here with sig figs. I have 3 total sig figs, so my pH reading is going to come out to 3 digits after the decimal point. Boom. pH check. All right, now let's determine pOH. Another important equation to be comfortable with and recognize that it's on your formula chart. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Now, this 14 is considered sort of infinitely precise, right? So 14.000000. But to determine pOH, I'm just going to plug in my pH, boom, and then to solve for pOH, all I have to do is subtract 2.00 from each side. So pOH, don't even need a calculator, 12.000. Boom. Now, before you finish, it's always a good idea to ask yourself whether or not the pH and pOH make sense. You should be able to recognize that HCl is an acid, and that pHs of acidic solutions should be less than 7, which we get, and pOHs of acidic solutions should be greater than 7, which we get. Done.